Faisali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we add news from Sialkot. Dissemination workshop on development of APO demonstration companies for workplace environment management in the surgical instruments industry. Sialkot NPO Pakistan in collaboration with Asian Productivity Organization APO Tokyo, Japan is pleased to announce the successful completion of a project focused on the development of APO's demonstration units aimed at enhancing workplace environment management through lean manufacturing practices in Pakistan's surgical instruments industry. The workshop held on 31 October 2024 at Sialkot brought together industry stakeholders, experts, and practitioners to share insights and strategies for implementing lean manufacturing technologies that prioritize workplace environment management. Participants had the opportunity to learn about the latest methodologies, best practices, and tools to improve efficiency and sustainability within their operations. Mr. Zishan Tariq, Chairman SIMAP, while speaking on the occasion, said enhancing workplace environment management through lean manufacturing is crucial for the growth and sustainability of the surgical instruments industry in Pakistan. He said this workshop has equipped participants with the knowledge and tools necessary to drive positive change within their organizations. APO experts from Japan's and 5 surgical demo companies under SIMAP while sharing experiences and case studies demonstrating the successful implementation to lean practices in workplace environment management expressed their satisfaction to report that they have made significant strides. Over the course of this project, these companies successfully demonstrated enhanced workplace efficiency by applying lean methodologies, streamlining their process, resulting in increased productivity across various organizations. Implementing practices that have led to a remarkable decrease in both material and time wastage, significantly lowering operational costs, fostering a safer and more engaging workplace, contributing to employee morale and satisfaction. These achievements are not merely numbers, they represent the dedication and hard work of everyone involved workers, management, and esteemed partners. The initiatives aligns with ongoing efforts to boost productivity, competitiveness in the surgical instruments sector, ensuring that businesses can meet both domestic and international demands effectively.
Today is the dissemination conference, also the day when we complete the project, what we call the development of demonstration company project on workplace management through lean manufacturing in the surgical equipment industry for Pakistan. Today I'm very happy because we have done this project so far for more than a year together with the National Productivity Organization in Pakistan and also the CMAP. So we come from the Asian Productivity Organization. So this is a program where we support, develop a model in the application of productivity tool so that we can help the company to enhance the capacities, and also to help them to optimize cost. So for this particular project, so we help the company to improve their productivity and also to help them to resolve the issue they face in the micro dust control. So today, the 5 companies, they share their improvement after 1 year of implementation of the project. The results were very impressive. I think the most important thing is that they are able to get the methodologies and also the approach, how they collect the data, how they look into every stage of their production process and try to optimize them. And also now they're able to identify the issue in the factory. And also we also help them to apply some Kaizen and also some control of their material flow cost accounting and help them to save a lot of cost. And I think it's very happy because we can help the company to identify that they have the room for improvement and they have achieved a lot of achievement in the project and they're willing to share with others.
For more updates and news, like and subscribe our channel Saiban News HD.